Welcome back, everybody. Oh no! Alright, fair enough. So I gotta do this and this and this and this and this. Okay, so he does follow you all the way. You can't, like, get so far past him that he stops. Okay. Wait. Okay. No. Ah, dagnabbit. Got in the way. My jump. I slightly missing that. Try this again. Oh, just barely got that one through. Hey. Whew! Wow. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I beat that on the first try. Alright, let's do this track. Let's see how this track favors us. Oh, whoa, it's like a rocket? Okay. So that's like the barrels in Donkey Kong Country that move. It's because it's moving in a solid direction. It's not moving based on where I land. That I can actually deal with. That I'm perfectly fine with. So I don't think I'm not gonna be able to get that Game Boy. Get through to it. And nuts. This set of levels isn't too hard, but they're also just introducing us to these rockets. Oops! I just have to remember to aim, and it'll be fine. I'm not sure what happened there, because I landed on the rocket, but I apparently died. Maybe I landed on the underside of the rocket, which was right next to the spikes. I don't know. Oh, okay, I see what I'm supposed to do there now. Okay. Perfect! Sort of. I didn't get the Game Boy. like the rockets are the friendliest mechanic they've introduced, because it's like it's on a predetermined path next to the barrels. It's like this I can account for, like this I can plan for. Okay, it's too far out. Ah, nuts. That level's not too hard. Compared to part 4, part 4 is harder because the camera zooms out so far. I was also aiming to the side when I should have been aiming slightly up. Alright, there we go. So interesting. Okay. So rockets can take out enemies, huh? Oops. Maybe I should put an epilepsy warning at the beginning of this video. I don't know. The game didn't have one, so... Ah, nuts. I'm not susceptible to epilepsy, but like, even I'm starting to get a headache from these flashing lights. It's a little much. It's almost like Hollywood movie level of flashing lights. Like if you showed this off screen and had somebody mashing at a controller, it would be roughly that experience. Okay. I fucked that up. I'm sorry. Dagnabbit. Frame rate. There's like a little hiccup. I don't even know how this plays in 30 frames per second, to be honest. Alright. Oh, the same thing happened. I was too close to the edge of that one platform that I couldn't make that jump without touching the spikes. Oh, I should have done it the other way. Quite chiptune. Now it's chiptune. Okay. Oh my gosh. Nuts. Now that's it's kind of easy. This is kind of easy. I'm okay with not taking a... I'm okay with not getting a speed run time on that one. Ah, nuts. Okay. That's okay, I learned it. Sometimes you just have to learn the layout and then get a better crack at it the second time through. That level's very silly. Wow! Didn't think that would happen. Okay. Oh, I took too long. Poop. not hardcore mode, I don't know what is. Although again, I am playing with a mouse, and that does change things, because it does significantly impair my aim, which is maybe the only example of a computer game where the mouse impairs your aim. Maybe this example only. Usually, mouse is what you want. Wow! Okay. I wasted it. I wasted it, but it's kind of like, what do you want me to do? That's a very tricky freaking level. I mean, like, this one I have figured out. Oh, come on. This one's pretty simple. The third one's simple too, it's just that that very beginning part is hard. I think everything after it is not a problem. Ah! And I'm resting my hand in a way that, like, my pinky finger has fallen asleep on my mouse hand, so that's also not great. I don't want the Game Boy. I like how this game's like, you got the par time. It's like, well, yeah, I have to, or I'm gonna die. You give me no option. There is no patience option. You have bomb platforms everywhere. Okay, this is irritating though, because I've passed this level before. Why am I having so much trouble with it? I'll tell you why I'm having trouble with it. It's because I'm getting tired and I want to lay down. Oh my gosh. That happened twice in a row. I wish the controller worked. If the controller worked, I might be done with the game by now. This game originated on mobile and was more tap-oriented, which makes a lot more sense. Because if you could tap at a platform, I think that's a lot better in terms of aiming than dragging the mouse. Oh my gosh. It's all falling apart. please. It happened again! What the heck? That is not where I'm aiming. I even gave myself the time to, like, aim it out, and then they still went that way. I also can't tell if these enemies are on a global timer or not. It seems like half the time when I do a jump super fast, they're in position where I die, and the other half the time, like, I get there in the same amount of time, and they're in a different position. Oh my gosh. Well, I know what changed that time, is I didn't hop to... there was one less platform jump in that mix. It's like that... I don't know. I mean, that enemy is just not where I need them to be. And I've gotten past it before, but it's like I don't know. I got past it multiple times. Like, I was kind of doing it on autopilot, and then just suddenly, I couldn't do it anymore. Oh my gosh, it happened again! But see, I have to try and land on, like, one edge of that, bomb platform so that I can get to the other side of it. So I can land on the other side of the bottom platform and not hit the enemy. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. Okay. 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 Look, that's further than I got in the last, like, 10 minutes, so I'll take it. I think I finally found a timing that I'm agreeable with on part 3. Okay. Oh, I screwed that jump up. Nuts. At least I've gotten really good at these first 2 parts, let me tell ya. Got it! Yes! Alright, what else you got? actually not that hard. I'm assuming this is the last level in this world. It has to be. Man, this is scary. Got it. Got it. I'm gonna be patient on this. Darn it. I missed the platform and landed on the bomb platform. It's not what I wanted. At least I can replicate that, which is good. And that. Alright. There. Okay. Oh, what? You gotta let me know if that's gonna happen. You gotta give me a little more advanced warning. Slightly hairy, but it's actually not that hard. Okay. Yeah, that's the end of that world. Oh. Oh, man. Okay, I have a headache for playing this game for an hour and a half, so come on back next week and we'll play more of HoPiKo. I'll try and beat World 4, and then maybe World 5 on Tuesday. I don't know. In the meantime, grab a snack and we'll be back with another game.